In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a digital ebook and how you can sell it online. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create a digital ebook and how you can actually sell it online. Something really important, guys, is that this actually works. But first of all, you need to be consistent in the implementation of the strategy. Why I'm telling you this? Because there is a lot of opportunities out there. And right now, the shiny object syndrome is real. People want, and I include in the package, super fast result that we are jumping from 10 to 10 to 10 to 10 because there's so many opportunities. Consistency is key if you really want to be successful. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Now, with that said, remember, this video is going to be all about ebook. And don't worry, you don't have to be a guru in order to earn money with your knowledge. Okay. Um, Also, let me share with you my screen because there are some things that I'm going to be covering on detail. And one of it is why I'm suggesting you to start with an ebook. Okay. Chances are that you're searching for opportunities and you are like, okay, should I start and create a course? Should I go with a workshop? Why you're talking about an ebook then? Okay. Okay. Let me share with you some key points here. First of all, I consider this the best digital product to sell. Okay, if this is the very first time you're considering about creating a digital product, this is definitely the best first digital product to sell because it's simple to create. You can literally have um, your ebook created in 24 hours or less. Okay, because I'm not talking about a 100-page book. Okay, I'm talking about, I'm going to tell you what's the key if you really want to sell it. Okay. So it's simple to create. It's fast to create. You can make them for free. Okay. I'm going to be covering more about that in a moment. You can host them online for free. Like literally, you can upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox and it's going to be there for free. Someone make the payment, you share the link, that's it. Okay. You can create it one and you can sell it over and over and over. Okay. I know at the beginning it can be challenging. I'm going to be sharing with you some strategies. So if you have a system in place, and I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment, you can actually have a system that is going to be working for you 24/7 and it's going to give you the opportunity to make passive income. There is no shipping cost or inventory involved. It's very scalable. Okay, with the strategy I'm going to share with you, it's actually really, really scalable and really profitable. People are looking for information 24/7. Okay, but there is a key here. Okay, a successful ebook solve one problem and one problem only. Okay, you are not going to be mentioning 50 different ways to make a thing. Okay, just one and one only. We can give people a quick win. Okay, you can actually share your system and give people a quick win. But remember, and let me zoom in. Okay, a successful ebook solve one problem. It can be on any niche. I know the most profitable niches online are health, wealth, and relationships. But I can tell you guys, based on my experience, that people are buying a, a lot of things out there. Some of them are kind of weird for me, but they do make sense for others. Okay, so don't be close-minded, but take into consideration that it's going to be solving one problem and one problem only. Okay, now, in order to create your ebook, you need to brainstorm ideas. Okay. Think which are the things that you are passionate about. Okay. That you really enjoy. Things that you are knowledgeable about. Okay. Those things that you are the go-to person. Like every single time someone have this problem, they ask you for this. Okay. It can be literally anything. Okay. Things that you have overcome. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Okay. I'm gonna spend some time here because I know the imposter syndrome, it's real. Okay. I know the imposter syndrome is real. This is something that I actually deal in the past because sometimes we are actually comparing ourselves with others, like, and we are usually thinking about people who know, or we think they know more than us. But at the end of the day, there are way more people that don't know what we know, or they actually want us to teach them something because of expertise, because of the way we are. Some people at the end of the day, they buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. People are going to connect with you because of who you are. And it doesn't matter if there is someone out there who have a lot of awards, trophies, degrees, and all the stuff. They want, and they want to know the answer from you. They value what you know. Okay, so take this into consideration. Again, I know this the imposter syndrome is real. That's something that I have been dealing. I think even today, that's something that I have been struggling. But actually, I decided, like, hey, you know what? There is a lot of people out there who want to learn from me because of who I am, because of my knowledge, because of the way I teach and all this stuff. Yeah, there is a lot of people who know way more than me, but there are these group of people who are waiting for me every single day. Okay, there is an opportunity there. Okay, remember, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. So, taking this into consideration, in order to create your ebook, first of all, what is going to be point A and point B? Okay, where are right now, and what's the transformation? Okay, that they're gonna get at the end. Okay, so right now they have a problem. Okay, what's the solution? What's the vehicle that is gonna be helping them? And what is gonna be the result? Okay, that's point A and point B. Where they are right now, where they're gonna be at the end of your ebook. Okay, you can use ChatGPT for the index, but you need to know what's point A and what's point B. And ChatGPT is going to help you with the index, with models, lessons, all this stuff. You're going to write the sections. Again, you can ask ChatGPT, like, okay, section by section, like, okay, which are the lessons that I can put here? Create me an outline. Okay, create me an outline. And by the way, guys, if you want to have like a super in-depth training about this, I'm going to be leaving it in the description as well. I'm going to give you a lot of value on this video because I really want you to be successful. But if you're really serious and you want to learn all the in and outs, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Okay. If you don't know what's your point A, well, it's actually not your point A. It's actually the people you're going to help point A, where they are right now. What's the problem? Remember, a really successful ebook solve one problem. Okay. What's point B? What's going to be the solution? Let's say that, okay, there is this mom. Problem is that she has this baby boy that is not sleeping at night, and she's actually super tired. It's trying. She has tried everything based on her knowledge to make her baby boy sleep at night so she can rest. The end result is that her baby boy is gonna let her sleep at night. The baby boy is gonna be sleeping all night long, or maybe it's gonna wake up every 3, 4 hours, but she's going to rest. It's not that it's going to be crying every single time. It's not that when she moves or something like that, the baby boy is going to wake up crying. Okay. So point A, she could not sleep right now. Point B, she's going to be able, not only her, it's going to sleep, but her baby boy is going to sleep all night long. Okay. Based on that, I'm going to ask ChatGPT for help. Okay. So you can design your ebook on Canva. That's a tool that I really like. As you can see, I have tons of ebooks here. So this is definitely something that I like. So you can put here ebook templates. Okay. And you can actually create a Canva account for free. Um, you can use the mockups here. Some of them have different pages. Others just have one. I suggest you if this is the very first time you are actually working with this, go and choose a mockup who has different pages. Okay. So you don't have to worry about layouts and all the stuff. Okay. So you can also create a regular PDF. What do I mean by a regular PDF? One that you can create on Microsoft Word, ones that you can create on your Google Drive. Okay. And also you need to create a simple funnel to sell it. Not something super complicated. This is what I actually do. First of all, I understand that people might be interested on the topic, but sometimes they are not ready to make the purchase. Okay. So I prefer to capture on their name and email address. Then I send them to a sales page. Then I send them to the checkout page, okay, which is the order form. And then I give them the ebook. By the way, you can create as many ebooks as you want. Okay. So this is actually how I do it. The tool I use, and you can start using it for free. I'm gonna be leaving a link below. It's gonna be System.io. Here in System.io, literally you can create your free account, and you're gonna go here which says sites. Then you're gonna go here which says sales funnels. Then you're gonna click here where it says create, and I'm gonna put a name. As you can see, I have 44 funnels so far. Then if you have a domain connected, you can put it here. And we're going to click here where it says build an audience. I know we want to get sales, but don't go with sales a service. Go with this one, build an audience, check your currency, save it. One cool thing that I really like about System.io is the fact that it's a drag and drop website builder. You don't have to have any kind of coding skills, any kind of design skill. It's really easy, and it's have a lot of templates. You're going to choose the templates, this page, and you're going to notice that we have this page and we have this page. We need to add these two. Okay, how do we do that? We're going to click here where it says add step. Okay, I'm going to put here sales, which is going to be a sales page. Click here, sales page. And again, I'm going to choose a template. I'm going to move this over because the steps are the squid space, sales page, then checkout, and then the thank you page in which we're going to be delivering the ebook. Okay, so I'm going to put here on order form. Oops. Order form or checkout. So I'm going to choose here the same. Okay, I'm going to choose the one that I wanted to do, and you can connect this with Stripe. You can connect it with PayPal, and you're going to have the opportunity to automate your sales. What do I mean by that? That as soon as someone wants to make the purchase, they're going to be getting the ebook. Okay, they're going to be getting the ebook via email. That's one really cool thing that I like about System.io, that they do have the email marketing tool here. So if someone put their name and email here, we can actually sell it. If someone send them an email, if someone make a purchase, we can automatically send them an email, and we can promote multiple products. Not just one, but multiple products. And that's how you can actually grow your business. But don't worry, we are not over. How you are going to sell it. Okay, that's the $1 million question. Okay. First of all, we're not going to be using Etsy. We're not going to be using Amazon. We are not going to be using Gumroad. The reason why we're not going to be using this, it's because, um, first of all, you are building your business and someone else's business. Um, there are listing fees, which most of the cases is not a lot. There's a lot of competitors, and there are a lot of commissions involved. Sometimes they don't mention it. And the other thing is that their business is make you pay for ads so you can quote unquote grow your business. Okay. And if for some reason you have a really successful ebook, and this happened on physical products as well, they're going to be making their own version and they're going to start marketing and selling that. Okay. So I prefer to do it in a different route, which is building your following. Everybody start from scratch. Everybody start with zero following. And you don't need to be an influencer. You don't have to have millions of people following you. Literally with less than 100 followers, you can start making sales. As long as you are, talking directly to the problem that they have. You can create short form content, which these are 5 to 7 second videos. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to talk if you don't want it. And you can share this on TikTok. You can share it on Instagram. You can share it on Facebook Reels. You can share it on YouTube Shorts. You can create long form content like the one I'm doing right now. Uh, you can do this format that I'm using right now. I have a whiteboard. It's really easy. It's really simple. But I'm sharing with you, my knowledge, my expertise to put in a way. Okay. And you don't have to be on camera. You can do this, or you can start and put a small window and start talking if you feel like it. Don't worry. At the beginning, I know it's kind of weird, every format, but if you're really committed and if you're really serious, you're gonna do what you have to do in order to, you know, start earning your first dollars online. And for that says grow your business. Short form content, it's patterned rut. What do I mean that by that? Like people when they access Instagram, TikTok, and this short form content platforms, they're not actively looking to solve a problem. But if you tell them like, do you feel like XYZ? Are you this type of person? They're gonna interrupt what you're doing and they're gonna pay attention to your message. Long form content, yeah, it takes more time to create, but people are actively looking for the solution. They're doing searches on YouTube. Chances are that that's how you actually discovered this video. Okay. So where are you going to put your link? You're going to put your link in the description. You're going to have a call to action, and it doesn't matter if you're doing short form content or long form content. You're going to put your link on the bio on TikTok, Instagram, and most importantly, you're going to be doing email marketing. Okay. You're going to be doing email marketing. Email marketing right now, it sells a lot. I can tell you that for 40 times more than just social media alone. And remember that you can create your own ecosystem in which you're going to have the opportunity not to sell not only one ebook, but different and multiple ebooks. Sometimes people want your information, but they are not ready. They don't have the money. They got interrupted. You know, maybe their spouse called and they forget what they were doing. The kids were around. Okay. So they are in the public transportation. They're not going to take out their credit card. That's the reason why I suggest you to go with this ecosystem. Again, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.